to move to the next lesson. Unit 3, just being kind. What do you mean by just being kind? What do you mean by that? What do you understand? Okay, for example, now for the last, yes, now I will ask you questions. Okay, just one by one, I want you all to answer. Please do not answer together, otherwise it becomes very noisy. None of you will understand what each other is saying. Okay, now all of you are staying at home for the past 1.5 years because of this corona, because of COVID. All of us are all bound, are all tied up in the house, right? Now at home, your mommy is working very hard, right? Have you ever seen her taking rest? From the time she gets up in the morning till she goes back to sleep, she's been working. She gets up, she prepares breakfast for you all, she makes lunch for you all, she takes care of you, right? She does so much of work at home. She has to keep everything clean, right? Okay, so in order to make your mummy's work less, what should you all do? How can you all help your mummy?
To clean up, pick up the toys.
Yes, very good, Andrew. Very good. Okay, so what can you all do? You all can help your mummy by doing small work which you all can do. Okay, for your age, whatever you all can do, you all should help your mother. Example, after you play with your toys, make sure you keep your toys back in their own places. Otherwise, your mommy has to come behind and clean those, right? So instead of that, you yourself, after you play, keep your toys back. Otherwise, your mommy washes all the clothes. Once they dry, your own clothes you can fold and keep. Correct? Okay, so this way you can help your mother. And now, in case we had school, okay, when you come to school and then you find that your friends, one of the child in your class has forgotten to bring his or her pencil box. And now I'm giving you something to write. What would you do? How will you help your friend?
I give one pencil, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You will help
I
your
give
friend
one
by,
pencil.
yes, you will help your friend by giving him or her a pencil. If you have extra pencil or eraser, you can help by giving it to them, right? Okay. Now, in order, if they want something, how will they ask you? Or if you want something from someone else, how will you ask? Will you say, give me the pencil, Ra? Will you tell like that? Very good, Varun. I can hear. Yes, you will use the word. Yes, very good. You will use the word, please, may I have your pencil? Very good. Okay. And then once your friend gives you the pencil, how will you respond back? What will you tell him or her?
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. You will say,
Thank you.
very good. You
Thank
will
you.
say, thank
ma'am.
you. Yes, you will say, thank you. Now, you have PT class. You all are running around, playing outside. When you all are playing, by mistake, while playing, probably your friend, he falls. Maybe you came in the way and the boy falls. What will you tell the child? What will you tell your friend?
Sorry, ma'am.
Very
Sorry,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, you will tell sorry. Okay, as
Sorry.
soon as you say sorry, even if the child is hurt really bad, as soon as you lift him up and say you're sorry, his or her anger and pain will be reduced by a half. Okay, make sure that you use all these words. Thank you, please, excuse me, sorry. All these are all called, what words are they? They are all kind words. Okay, they are all kind words. Yes, you need to make sure that you use these words regularly every day in your life. Is that clear? Okay, now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, I don't want you all to unmute yourself. Okay, if I see you all unmuting in between, then I will remove that. I'll make sure that none of you all are able to unmute. Okay, because if class becomes noisy, so kindly do not unmute till I tell you all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, now can you all see the screen? Just show a thumbs up if you're able to see. Okay, can you all see the screen? Yes, very good, Andrew. Very good, Varun. Okay, Now this is unit number 3, just being kind. Okay, just being kind. There are few sentences or statements given here. You will have to tell me whether you can do that or you shouldn't do that. Okay, read these statements and write yes or no. Okay, the first statement says,
Diksha.
okay, the first statement says we should throw dirty things on the road. Is it good to throw dirty things on the road?
No.
No, it is not. Yes, very good. We should not throw dirty things. Okay, now 1 minute. I'm going to mute everyone. I will explain to you. Okay. Okay, hope all of you are able to see the screen. Now you will not be able to unmute yourself. Okay. Now the first sentence or the statement says we should throw dirty things on the road. Okay, so we should not be throwing anything that is dirty or any used or unwanted things. Where should you put them? You have to use a dustbin. Okay, if you're at home, please do not throw it outside your house. You have a dustbin at home, you have to throw it inside the dustbin. Or if you're walking on the road, you're eating an ice cream, where will you throw the wrapper? There are dustbins kept in every street. Okay, so wherever you find a dustbin, you have to throw it inside the dustbin only. Okay, in case you're not able to find the dustbin, make sure you carry the wrapper, bring it home and throw it in the dustbin. Okay, we should help our parents. This is the second statement. Okay, we should help our parents. Yes, you have to help your parents, probably in washing your father's vehicle. If he's got a scooter or a bike or a car, whatever vehicle he's got, you can help him in washing that. You can help your mommy in the household chores. Okay, so you have to help your parents. Next one, third statement says we should keep our surrounding clean. Okay, it's not good or not enough only to keep only our house clean, but even our surroundings. Like I told you, if you're there at home, you should not throw all the waste outside from your house, because when you throw outside your house itself, what happens? All sort of insects and all will get collected, right? It is not going to be hygiene. Okay, so you have to make sure that even you're outside your house also the place is clean. Next one, we should kick our pets. Is it good to kick our pets? No, they will also feel pain, right? You should not kick them. You have to show more love to them. Okay. Next one, we should waste water. Should we waste water? No, right? Okay. Water is very precious. So you have to make sure that you save water. For example, morning when you get up, when you go to brush your teeth, make sure you take water in a jug. Okay, because if you're going to leave the tap open, you're just wasting water, right? When you're not using. Instead of that, take a jug of water, then you can pour little by little, how much ever and whenever you need. Okay. Next one, we should have the TV on loudly. Can you keep, no, should you keep the TV on loudly, children? No, right? Okay, because it is going to make noise pollution. You may have neighbors who are studying for some exams. Okay, if you're going to play the TV really loudly, that is going to be disturbing them, right? Okay, so you should not have your TV turned on loudly. Okay, then we should spit on the road. That also is a very bad habit. You should never spit on the road. Okay, you can use a washroom. If you find any wash basin, you can go there and spit and you can pour water and clear the place, but not on the road. Okay, and here you have add two more, we should and what we should not. Okay, so here on top you have we should throw dirty things on the road. That is what you should not be doing. We should not throw dirty things on the road. We should not use words on others. Okay, you have to remain calm. Okay, and here as you go down, you can see, listen to your teacher and finish the sentences, the last 5 sentences. Okay, we say thank you, right? We say thank you. And then what else do we say? We say thank you, we say please, we say I'm sorry, right? We don't call names, or we should not tease another child, okay, or anyone else. We should not call them names or tease. We don't shout, we don't fuss. We listen when others talk. Okay, when someone else is talking, make sure that you listen to whatever they say. Okay, now I'm going to give you all the thing to unmute and ask questions. Okay, now in this page, what we read, okay, from this page, what we read, did you all understand what you should do and what you should not do? Did you all understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, here you have, we should not throw dirty things on the road.
Ma'am.
Yes, should we throw dirty things on the road?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you should keep your, yes, you should keep your surroundings and your house clean. Okay, very good. Next one, we should help our parents.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You have to help
Yes,
your
ma'am.
parents. Yes, very good. Okay, next
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
yes. Okay, we should kick our pet animals. Should we kick our pet animals?
No, ma'am.
We should not kick our pet animals. Yes, you have to take care of them. Okay, you have to take care of them. Next one, we should have the TV on loudly. Should you keep the TV on loudly? No, you should not. Why shouldn't you keep the TV on loudly? Okay, okay, very good. Now I'm going to point out to one particular child. You have to tell me why you should do or why you shouldn't do. Okay. Now, Dikshita, can you unmute yourself and answer, ma? No, you've not unmuted. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay. Now you all said that we should not have the TV on loudly. Why shouldn't we keep the TV on loudly?
Sound, ma'am.
Yes, it will become very noisy. Yes, that means it will become very.
Ma'am.
Your neighbors and all will get. Your neighbors and all will be. You're troubling your neighbors, right? If someone is studying for their exam, then it will be very noisy. They will not be able to concentrate. Okay, so you should not keep your TV on loudly, or even for that matter, even any music if you're listening to also, make sure that the music is only heard within the four walls where you are staying. Okay, not outside. Okay, now next one. Can I have Likith answering? Likith, you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Likith, here you have, we should spit on the road. Is it good to spit on the road?
Yes.
Is it good to spit on the road? It is not good to spit on the road. Why shouldn't you spit on the road? Yes, Lingeshwaran, I want Likith to answer. Okay, Likith, why shouldn't we spit on the road?
Dirty.
Yes, it is very dirty, right? Not only dirty, when someone spits, probably if they are not well, that infection also will affect the people who are walking around. It is not good to spit on the road. Okay, so you should not spit on the road. Very good. Yes. Okay, next one. Yes, Dikshita.
Yes, ma'am. We come corona, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. We will get corona if people spit on the road. It is not good. Okay, and you should always remember, never step out of the house, but in case you have to go out, make sure you maintain your distance, take your sanitizers, okay, and then go out. Otherwise, do not step out of the house. Okay, now next one. Can I have Inchara to answer? The rest of you all can mute. Inchara, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Inchara. There is a statement which says we should waste water. Should we waste water? You should not waste water. Yes, we should not waste water. Why we should not waste water? Yes, why shouldn't we waste water? Because water is very precious. Very good. Deepika. Yes, water is very precious, because of which you should not water, because there will come a time as many years go by, even to drink a glass of water, we may have to pay a lot of money for it. Okay, so make sure that you do not waste water. Okay, now can I have Charvi to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Charvi. Charvi, when you want something from your friend, which word, which kind word will you use in your sentence? Say you want a pencil from your friend. How will you ask your friend?
Please.
Very good. You will say, please, whatever is your friend's name. Okay, probably here we'll use Dikshita's name itself. Please, Dikshita, may I have your pencil? I will write and give it to you. Okay. Now, next one, can I have, I'm not sure who is Guru Prasad. I don't know the child's name. I think it is the parent name. Okay.
Rakshit, ma'am.
Okay, Rakshit. Now, can you tell me? Yes. Rakshit, can you tell me, if you hurt your friend by mistake, what will you tell him? What will you tell him or her?
Sorry.
Very good. You should say sorry. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. You should say sorry. Okay, now next one. Can I have three of them who have not logged in with the child's name. One was Rakshit, then I don't know who is Janani and Galaxy MO2. Okay, now Shibam. Shibam, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shibam. Okay, now say you're walking in a straight line. Now you have to move forward. Okay, you want to go in front of your friend, or you need to cross something. What will you tell? Which word will you use?
Thank you, ma'am.
Not thank you. Okay, very good, very good. You will say, excuse me. Yes, you have to say. Very good. Okay. So remember, these are all kind words. When you use excuse me, probably if you're talking, if someone else is talking and you want to interrupt, that time you say, excuse me, I want to say something. Then you raise your query or your question you ask. Okay. Or you want to move in front of a line and someone else is already standing, you'll say, excuse me, can I move forward? Okay. So you're going to use excuse me, or when you sneeze. Sneezes are something which you cannot control, right? It comes suddenly. You cannot hold on to your sneeze. That time, when you sneeze, that time you say, excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay. So these are the few of the kind words which you have to use on regular basis. Did you all understand what we did today in class? I'm doing only page by page. Okay. So remember, you can, I want you to understand the lesson properly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so with this, if you have no doubt, then we will finish with the class for today. Okay, hope all of you will have understood. So what are the kind words that you can use? The kind words are thank you.
Sorry, ma'am. Thank you.
Sorry. Then
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me. Yes, very good. Okay, so you should use these words on regular basis. Okay, excuse me, thank you, sorry, please. Okay, all these words and all you have to use every day in your life. Okay. Okay, children. So do you have any doubt in this? What we did today?
No, ma'am.
Oh.
No, ma'am.
If you have no doubt, then we will finish. But before I finish the class,